This is your sign that your life changes now. Recite and visualize these powerful affirmations to reprogram your subconscious mind. With each recitation, you strengthen and reinforce positivity in your thoughts. As your outlook improves, you will more effortlessly manifest your desires into reality. If you believe in spreading the gift of positivity and wellness throughout the world, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to Zenzoji. It helps our channel grow and reach others who can also benefit from it. Thank you. Let's begin. I attract wisdom into my being easily and effortlessly. I am grateful for the wisdom I have been given. I have faith in my intuition and allow my natural wisdom to guide me. I am open to learning new things and expanding my wisdom. I listen to my inner voice and act with wisdom. I learn from past mistakes and do not make them twice. I make decisions based on what is best for me and those around me. I follow my heart and let my intuition lead the way. I live life with intention and purpose, guided by wisdom. My actions are in alignment with my highest truth and wisdom. I know that everything happens for a reason, and I learn from every experience. I have faith in the process of life and know that wisdom will be revealed in perfect timing. I am patient and allow wisdom to unfold in its own time. I am confident in my ability to make wise decisions. I always act with integrity and honesty, guided by wisdom. My wisdom has taught me the importance of kindness, compassion, and love. I embody balance and harmony in all areas of my life. My heart is full of love and compassion, which allows me to act wisely. My wisdom tells me to listen to my body and take care of myself. I make choices based on what I know is good for me. I am in touch with my conscience and allow it to guide me. I communicate with others from a place of kindness and truthfulness. I am open-minded and willing to see other points of view, knowing it could be an opportunity to grow my wisdom. I am connected to the natural world and draw upon its wisdom for guidance. I am attuned to the energies around me and act with wisdom accordingly. I take time for myself to relax, recharge, and realign with my conscience. I live life at my own pace, following the guidance of my own wisdom. I am present in each moment and act with wisdom in all that I do. I am connected to my higher self and allow its wisdom to guide me. I seek out knowledge and understanding, inspired by my thirst for wisdom. My wisdom guides me to always act with good intentions. I am confident and brave because I have faith in my own inner wisdom. It is wise to make decisions from a place of love. I face challenges with courage and grace. I take responsibility for my own life and choices. I listen to my heart and follow its guidance and wisdom. I act wisely by treating myself and others with respect. I am wise enough to recognize all the many blessings in my life. I accept myself and others as we are. I embody strength and serenity. I am kind and gentle with myself, guided by self-love and wisdom. I nurture my relationships with care and understanding. I take care of my physical body with reverence and respect, following the guidance of wisdom. I live an authentic life, true to myself and guided by my own inner wisdom. I am grateful for the life I have been given. I follow my dreams with courage and determination, knowing that wisdom will guide me. I have infinite and tapped wisdom awaiting me as I strengthen my connection to the universe. I face my fears with strength and grace. I take risks and follow my intuition. I let go of what no longer serves me, making space for new things to come into my life. I am open to change and willing to grow. My wisdom tells me the importance of having faith in a higher power that protects me. I am infinitely loved and supported by the universe and by my own inner wisdom. My wisdom shows me the importance of being grateful for the people in my life who show me love and support. I have everything I need to live a happy and fulfilling life. I just need to choose happiness. I know it is wise to foster a mindset that attracts abundance into my life with ease and grace. I release all fears and doubts, knowing that wisdom will guide me. I am courageous and strong. I know that I am capable of anything I set my mind to. My wisdom teaches me to be grateful for the many opportunities I have been given. I take advantage of all the resources available to me, guided by my own wisdom. I make wise and informed decisions. I realize that I am in control of my life and choices and can improve them by growing my wisdom. My connection to the universal wisdom teaches me to take care of myself with love and compassion. Thank you for participating in these affirmations. They are making you stronger each time you recite them. You are one with the universe and with the Zenzoji community. Please like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you haven't already. It helps the channel grow and spread positivity to people around the world. Thank you.